Ibotta bonus haul. So I'm super excited about this haul. I got an additional $20 back, free money from Ibotta for hitting their top 20 savers. So it was a little bit of a task. I had to do 70 rebates in a month's time. So it took me 5 different hauls, but all the food and all the things I got are things that I actually do eat. A few items like this nut butter here, I've never tried, but it wound up being 74 cents. I've gotten 2 of these throughout this haul, so not a bad deal there. There were some money makers along the way, but calculating all the different bonuses that I've had as far as the level 1 bonus, level 2 bonus, weekend warrior bonuses, and there was a pumpkin spice bonus as well. It wound up being an amazing, amazing deal. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you guys have any questions, of course, make sure you drop a comment below. So let's dive in. I wanted to make sure before I recommended using Ibotta and chasing bonuses that it would actually be worth it for you guys and that you wouldn't be spending a ton of money just to try to get these bonuses. So with the pumpkin spice bonus, I had a $5 weekend warrior bonus. I hit September level 3 bonus. So level 1 is 50 cents, level 2 is $1, level 3 is $2. I also had a couple bonuses along the way. I had a Toffee bonus was another $1. I had a Kellogg's bonus, which was 50 cents. There was also a bonus on soda when I had gotten the 7-Up and such from Walgreens. There was a 25-cent bonus on that as well. So including all the different bonuses that I've got, plus the top 20 saver bonus, the final pricing winds up being $8.58 for 70 items. That is amazing, amazing, amazing. So I definitely recommend doing it. There's a ton of different items that you can get as well. So if you want more, grocery items, you can get that. If you need more laundry type items, we even got Visine for free in my last haul. So there's a ton of different items, so you don't necessarily have to do the exact rebates that I've done in all my videos. Of course, I want you guys to make sure that you're getting the rebates and buying the products that you're actually going to use. There are some freebies along the way as well, so why not? It's free and it allows you to try some different products. So I got to try the Oikos Pro Fuel. It's like a little protein shake, but it tastes like liquid yogurt, like a yogurt drink, drinkable yogurt. So got to try a bunch of different items. So I was really excited about that. So let's dive in to the in-store video to show you guys what coupons I used on these and the rebates as well. Is $5.24 and the pods are $4.94. Ibotta has rebates for both, $3 for the liquid, $2 for the discs. You're going to use 2 of these coupons. They are $2 off. They do expire on the 5th, so make sure you guys go out and grab this, and it makes for some free detergent. Country Crock, the plant butter, is $2.98. You're going to use this $1 off coupon from the $9.22 Retail Me Not. There is 50 cents with Saving Star and $1 with Checkout 51. Makes it free. Yoplait is 60 cents each. You're going to get 5 of them. Print off this 50 cents off of 5 from coupons.com. Ibotta is going to give you back 75 cents when you buy 4. Final price is about $1.70 for all 5. Raisinets are $2.98 and Ibotta is going to give you $1 back. It makes it $1.98 and I love these, so I'm going to pick these up. The next deal is on Vienna chickpeas. This is free after offer. They are $3.12. You pay $3.12, get back $3.12, so it makes it free. Equal Plus is $3.47. You're going to use this $2 off coupon, makes it $1.47, and then Ibotta is going to give you, I believe, $1 back, so it makes it just 47 cents. Nature Valley wafers, there are 2 varieties. They are $3.48. Ibotta gives you back 50 cents, makes it $2.98. Original is only $3.24. If you get the other ones, they're $5.96. So the best deal is pick up one of the Visine. Use one of these internet printables. I believe it was on Visine.com. That's $1 off. You're going to pay $2.24 out of pocket. Ibotta gives you back $1.50. It makes it just 74 cents. Okay, so there was a couple things from that haul that I wanted to do, but I wasn't able to. Rimmel, I was going to take advantage of again. There is a $2 on my account, a $2 back on Rimmel eyeshadow. There was a $2.50 pallet, but it was sold out. So the next pallet was $8. So that wasn't worth it for me, so I didn't do that rebate. As well, this ragu, I actually bought the wrong product, unfortunately. It's supposed to be ragu simply, not just ragu. So I didn't get a rebate back on this actually, but I needed pasta sauce. So it all worked out. So just make sure you're scanning your items before you're buying it. There was that Vienna chickpeas that I was gonna grab because it was free after offer. I scanned it and it said it wasn't a match, even though the photos were perfect. So sometimes it glitches like that. Just make sure before you're purchasing the items, A, the rebate is still there, because sometimes it expires or it expires early or something might happen. And B, make sure you're getting the right item. That way it's actually gonna come off and scan at the end. So a couple little pointers there for you guys, but super excited, definitely worth it. We got the Persil. I had a liquid Persil as well, but I already sold it. And I had some refrigerated items here as well, so I put those in the fridge because I did the haul yesterday. Because it was due by today, at like 2 a.m. the bonus expired. So did my final haul yesterday. I was super excited about that. So now there is I bought a birthday bonus for my account. It is $7 when you do 22 rebates. So I might be doing that one. I've already done about 15 rebates from finishing this haul, and it wound up counting towards that one as well. So that was awesome. Keep in mind, stores like Chipotle. So I had Chipotle for dinner yesterday. If you pay with IBOTTA, that counts as a rebate. Walmart. So when you're checking out from this haul, you can pay with IBOTTA, you get 1% back. That counts as a rebate. Then you can submit your receipt and get back all the different offers for these items as well. So you're double dipping and you're getting money back 2 different ways. So make sure you guys do download IBOTTA. If you have any questions on it, just drop a comment. If you look in the description box as well, that little arrow, you'll have my referral code and everything like that. So I definitely recommend you guys downloading it and taking advantage of free money and money back on items that you're gonna be buying anyways. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.